Hey guys, what's happening? If your iPhone won't verify an app, try this quick fix. First of all, check the date and time. Go to the settings, general, and then scroll a little bit down to find date and time. And make sure to toggle set automatically on. Okay? Next, reboot your iPhone. Restart the device to refresh connections, right? You could go ahead and shut down your iPhone from the control center at the top right, and then reopen it again using your lock screen, right? Next, trust the developer. If it's a third-party app, go to the setting, general, stay on the general, and then device management, VPN and device management, and make sure to select make sure to turn on the VPN and make sure to select a location where you won't be able to be detected, and basically you're gonna be able to download the app. Next, reinstall the app. Delete the app and reinstall it again from the App Store if you download it from the App Store. Remove, hold the app and then remove, delete, double click to delete the app and re-download it again. That should do the trick. If the issue persists, check your internet connection or Apple ID. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.